8 years ago, the Nigerian customer purchased the cornflake production line from our company. Last week, our after-sales engineers passed by Nigeria and paid a return visit to the client's factory, helped the client solve some problems, and updated some systems. The production line mainly uses corn flour and other grains flour as raw materials to produce puffed snacks, breakfast cereals. The production line includes mixing, extruding, drying, high-temperature baking, flavoring, cooling, and packing systems. The production line is flexible in configuration and also has the following features: simple operation and maintenance, durable energy saving, highly automated and multifunctional.